Hey Paul, how you doing? So I wanted to put this video together to show you the Avid native Thunderbolt interface and its working functionality. I understand you wanted to see a demo or it working, but it'd be kind of hard for me to show you how it works without some components that you may need when hooking this thing up as a full rig. So I wanted to put this video together. Anyways, there it is. It's the Avid native Thunderbolt interface. Um, there it is. You can see that headphone jack, volume knob, in front panel there's an LED to let you know that that's working. And that's mute, on and off. In the back, I don't know if you can see this, but this cable here is the DigiLink cable. It plugs into port 1, which is your primary port. There's two ports in the back, primary and a secondary. Usually primary port is what's plugged into your HD interface. This cable here is my sync cable coming from my HD sync unit. That provides clock sync. Maybe if I wanted to lock audio to video, lock word clock to my interfaces. That's what that's used for, and that's all controlled by from Pro Tools. And then here, this last cable on the left, my left here, is the Thunderbolt cable. I'm including a new DigiLink cable and a Thunderbolt cable. This cable is not included. I need it for my rig. Anyways, there's two ports plugged into the primary, and that's that. LED, so far. And I'll show you here. This is Pro Tools. If you look here, sorry for this, you can see in Pro Tools it's connected HDIO number 1, HD native Thunderbolt port 1, clock source, sync HD. So what that tells me is that the HD interface is connected, and the HD interface is the native Thunderbolt into port 1. Loop master is my sync HD, so it tells me that the sync port on this native Thunderbolt interface is working. And if I go to my playback engine, you can see that it is HD native Thunderbolt set up here. Let's go back here to hardware. If you look over here, there's these units there that I have hooked up to or connected to my HD native Thunderbolt. On top there is my HD IO 16x16, which provides 16 inputs and outputs. And on the bottom of that is my HD sync box, which provides clock sync for all my Pro Tools rig. Okay, so that's what it hooked up to. And just to show you, if I hit identify, you see all the nice flashy lights go on. And that's coming from here. Sorry. And now it's off. That's letting you know that handshaking is going on. Everything's working, connected. One more thing I can show you is that's my system. Press play. You see some audio. Turn this bad boy up.
Fathers and sons, and the foresight to retain international merchandising rights. This is the story of Star Wars.
I'm turning my volume knob. That's for the headphone amplifier that's in there. There you go.